friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can send order placed messages to your customers who have purchased anything from your Shopify website and have selected a prepaid payment method, right? As you know, in our previous videos we have learned how you can integrate your WhatsApp API with your Shopify store, right? And right now, as you can see, I'm into my Interact account, and here we are in the campaign section, and I have clicked on new campaign button, and here we are going to select the order placed Shopify prepaid sample idea, right? I've simply selected this and I'm going to use this sample. So I've clicked on use this sample, and all details have automatically got pre-filled because we have connected our WhatsApp API with our Shopify stored in our previous videos. If you have not seen those videos, then I would recommend you to kindly visit our YouTube channel and check out the WhatsApp API playlist, right? So we need not to change anything in this campaign. The right trigger has been automatically selected over here. We just need to click on go live and our campaign would automatically get created, and as soon as a user places an order, then automatically our message would be delivered to them. If you have created an account on Interact, then it's good. If you have not, then I have mentioned the Interact sign up link in video description. Just visit that link, create an account, and you will receive few bonus credits in your Interact account that you can utilize for sending WhatsApp marketing messages to your customers. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in our video description. Just simply visit to that link and explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.